Hello everyone, welcome back to ZW3D sketch training, and today we'll take an example to show you how to create a sketch in ZW3D. Okay, let's move to ZW3D. So first, let me create a new file and create a sketch on the YZ datum and define the direction. First, let me insert the slot, which can be found under the Sketch ribbon tab. And let me change the radius to 14 millimeters and insert the first point to the coordinate center. And also, it will fix the position of this slot. Okay. And next, I will use the draw command, which I mentioned in the last section. And with these functions, we can insert a line and press Alt to draw the circle and draw another line tangent to the semicircle. Okay, and then we use the power trim command to trim this unneeded line, and then add the fillet for this part and set the value to 5 millimeters. And for this part, the radius of the fillet will be 10 millimeters. After that, we insert another slot in this part, and as I showed in the PowerPoint, the radius for this part is 6 millimeters. Let's insert this one. Okay, we almost finished these joints, and we also need to insert the circle here. Okay, we finished the basic figure for this example, and after that, we need to add the dimensions and also add a constraint. So as I mentioned, we have the DA toolbar, and we can use this tool to display the entity is well defined or not. And as you can see, the blue color means this part is well defined. And first, let me add some linear dimensions. And also the angle. And we also use the quick dimensions to add the angle for these two construction lines. Alright, let's continue. And for this part, the radius is 14 millimeters. And also we need to add parallels for these entities. Okay, almost all the part is well defined, and let me change this value to 76 millimeters, and the angle for this part is 45 degrees. And also, the length of this slot is 40 millimeters. And we need to make this semicircle tangent to this line. So we can use the add constraint command and select the two entities, and it will show all the available constraints we can choose. And for this case, I will use the tangent. Alright, as you can see, all the lines turn into blue color, which means this figure is well defined. So we have finished this example. Alright, we finished today's tutorial. And in the next sections, I will introduce the high-level applications of 2D Sketch. Thank you for your listening, and see you next time.